Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here the Honda Pioneer 1000 and today I'm going to be installing the front windshield. So let's get to it. Here's everything that comes in the kit. We have our windshield, of course, a few screws, the clamps, the rubber insulators, and if you'd like the paper instructions, simply go to the website or scan the QR code and then you can print out the paper instructions. If you find this one useful, smash that thumbs up and maybe even drop me a super thanks. If you do, I'll be sure to recognize you in my next video. Thank you. The first thing I'm going to do is install these clamps here, right at the bottom of the tube, and I'm going to use an M6 by 25 mil bolt. And I'm going to leave it loose for now. Here's how I have the clamp installed, with the hole facing the inside to attach to the window. Right at the bottom of the tube, and leave the bolt loose. Next, I'm going to install the rubber insulators here. I'm going to make sure this triangle is pointed forward out to the front of the vehicle. This is the inside of the glass, this is the outside. I'm going to use these plastic push pins to secure it in place. And then a push nut on the back side. Now I'm going to install these clamps here on the top of the windshield with the hinge pointing up. I'm going to install them on the inside, and then from the outside I'm going to use these M6 by 16 mil bolts with a washer. Here's how I have everything set up and ready to go onto the vehicle. I have the rubbers with the triangle pointed out, and the clamps installed with the hinges pointed up. I've also left the clamps loose for now, and I'll tighten them up once I get it situated on the machine. If you do have a roof installed, you might want to unclamp it like I've done here and slide it back for now, and we can reclamp it down once we're done. Now I'm going to set the windshield into place and hang it on the top clamps. Once you get the windshield hanging from the top clamps, we're going to need to push up and forward from here to align the bottom clamp, and then we'll use another M6 by 16 mil bolt with a washer through the bottom hole here on both sides. Once all the bolts are in place, we'll go ahead and tighten them up. Start with the two bolts on the inside of the bottom clamps, and then the outside two bolts, and then the 4 bolts on the top clamps. If you're not installing a wiper, then install these 2 plugs here into the wiper holes. If one of your clamps is a little loose like this one here, just pull it down, give it a few turns, and try it out again. Nice and tight. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my front windshield install on the Honda Pioneer 1000. Ride safe.